Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new Sequential Saddlebag Lights on this 2011 Street Glide. Each side includes 86 super bright red dual intensity LEDs encased in a chrome or gloss black housing with a smoke or red lens. They come with a plug-and-play JAE weatherproof quick disconnect to make future removal quick and easy. They also come with a lifetime warranty against LED failure. Sequential bags fit most 1997 to 2018 Harley-Davidson models equipped with factory OEM hard saddlebags. To get started, remove the seat from the bike and set it aside. Next, open each saddlebag lid and clean the surface of the saddlebag using isopropylene alcohol to remove any wax or grease buildup. Now locate the 3M promoter ampule that's included with the kit. Squeeze the ampule until the enclosed capsule bursts. Then apply the 3M promoter to the saddlebag where the light will be located. Remove the red protective film from the back of the light and press it into place. Remove the saddlebag from the bike. Use the included wire tie holders and zip ties to secure the wire to the back. You'll want to use the 3M promoter here again to help the zip tie holders stay in place. Reinstall the saddlebag back onto the bike and run your wires from the sequential bag light up into the seat compartment. Leave enough slack in the wire so you can remove the saddlebag again if you need to. Locate the NPR plug that comes with the kit. You'll also have a turn signal decoder for the 2014 to current touring models that have brake and turn on the same wire. Plug the turn signal decoder in first and then the NPR plug, and finally the harness that runs to the rear of the bike. If you have a 2014 to current model, you'll want to install the turn signal decoder in front of your Magic Strobe module. Plug the wire coming from the sequential bag lights into the NPR plug. Note that the bag light on the right side of the bike plugs into the brown wire and the bag light on the left side will plug into the purple wire. Test for proper operation and reinstall the seat. Our Sequential Bags Saddlebag Lights go great with our ProBeam red LED turn signals, so consider buying them as a pair.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.